Many municipalities and organizations require that any plans submitted be submitted as flattened PDFs. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a multi-sheet flattened PDF from your drawings. In this drawing, I have two tabs, a landscaping plan and an irrigation plan. Both of them have the same basic information brought in from model space. But what I want to do is I want to show just this landscaping plan and just this irrigation plan as a PDF flattened so that I can send it to my local inspector, basically. The easiest way to do this is by highlighting both of the tabs and using the publish option. So I'm going to use my mouse, come down here and make sure that landscaping plan is selected. Then I'm going to hold shift and click on the irrigation plan as well. You'll notice that it highlights both of these two tabs. With both tabs highlighted, now I can right click on the tab and go up here to where it says publish selected layouts. It's only going to publish those two layouts. From here, I can proceed to flatten the PDF and get it ready for printing. So I'm not using a sheet set here, so I can ignore this, and it's going to publish it to PDF, which is what I want. Your PDF preset, you have AutoCAD PDF, general documentation. You could change it to a high quality, whatever it happens to be, but I'm just going to leave it right here as general documentation. It seems to work fine for all of the clients that I've worked with. The other thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that I come over here to the Publish Options button. Clicking on the Publish Options button, it's going to give me some opportunities here to change where it plots to, and then also the flattening information. For example, flattening a PDF just means that you're removing some of this other information from your drawing. For example, flattening means you do not want to include layer information, you do not want to include hyperlinks, and you do not want to create bookmarks. It is important that you do leave this capture fonts used in the drawing, because if I uncheck this box, if I used any special fonts like maybe City Blueprint or something like that, it won't capture those and they won't come out in the final plot. So I'll choose OK from here. Notice that it's going to make a PDF of both of these two sheets. And from here, I can just go down and click on Publish. It'll give me a dialog box saying where do I want to save it and what do I want to call it. So I'll choose OK. Let's go ahead and call it that right there. And now it's going to do this publishing in the background. If it's a very large page with lots of information, it might take a few minutes. But because you're doing it in the background, it allows you to go ahead and keep working. Notice that it just finished here, and so if I go over to my desktop and I launch this page, you can see now that it has indeed created the PDF, and if I go over here to the layers and expand it, you'll see that it is indeed flat and that there are no layers, but it does include, it does keep all of the fonts and stuff in here for me so that I can see them. So a very simple way to create a flattened PDF using AutoCAD.